This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to enable, disable, or schedule Do Not Disturb on your Windows system, then either read through this article or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Notifications. Now, select Focus Assist. Select it at Alarms Only to enable Do Not Disturb and Off to disable Do Not Disturb. To schedule Do Not Disturb, there's an option named During These Times. Turn it on and click on the arrow associated with it. You can then select the scheduled time here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.